So, guys, good morning. First of all, as I can think right now that this kind of eyes we cannot expose on you right now, and but I expose because it's the daily routine, and we should be continuing practicing every day. So I expose my eyes today because it's a eye flu disease, and I am suffering from last 5 or 6 days. So this can't be boundary for me, and I regularly basis daily routine make a blog on these eyes in English, and this is very very bad for me that in this video frame I am looking like a Chinese man, like bulging eyes and many small eyes. This is the total structure of face is as it is a Chinese person. So when I get up, first of all I think that we should be make a video upon this kind of eyes and this kind of face. I am not looking so much handsome. Even I am so much handsome. If my hair is on my head and my beard is big, then I am looking so much handsome. So right now my total face structure is converted in a bad structure, and the eye flow is also got worse for me. So this is my mini blog where I expose myself every day in English, and what the day routine, and how to develop genuine English communication. Not right now we can't speak our surrounded people because they are also talking to me in Hindi, and the main thing I noticed that our surrounding is not surrounded by English person. So we should be create our own surrounding to speak in English and develop the as a skill in English. So we should practicing regularly and try to not distract to your path of English daily routine practicing. So whenever I get up in the morning, first of all I think that let us talk some words in English, and after that we initiate our days, full days, the whole days. And if any kind of grammatical mistakes and any kind of pronunciations mistakes, then you all will be comment on my video. That's I keep noticing, and I observing myself after making this video, and this is very important for me that your comment are very important for me to how to what kinds of mistake I had done in my past videos, and I have done in these videos. So the comment section tell me that we should be make a proper video and make a good sense for me, and your comments is the that's what I am not proper recall, like sudharna. After that video I go to the ChatGPT or Google to search what's the genuine word sentence meaning of sudharna or make capable for speaking good English. So this is very bad video looking like right now, but you all should be take away this. You all should be take this video very positively and go forward and go for the forward in future. So this kind of little bit like obstacle in my voice and many things that I can't proper pronunciate and lots of things. So this all to be very miserable for me, and I keep noticing on daily basis. I would prefer to make this video good for me, and it's a process, it's a journey for learning phase, and I have to accept this journey. But in my companions and in my society I can't expose this video because they are taunting me, lots of us, but we have to not noticing this kind of person who are taunting you in your initial learning stage of any learning skills, because on this way, on this process, you are a very good meanings I can't properly recall. Nausikwa. I think it's to be called I can't properly recall, but in further video I make a good video rather than this video. Thank you so much guys watching my videos every day and regular basis, and please comment, follow, subscribe, comment for my journey to how to speak, what's the problem, where is the problem facing in my speaking daily routine speaking videos in English, in our pronunciations zone or our grammatical zone, or any kind of vocabulary and lots of things. So you all should be noticed, and please comment in the comment section. And thank you so much to watching this kind of video and promoting me. I give all best. Get ready for the next video for tomorrow. Thank you so much.